With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
If we talk about this question, in this question we are asked that which one of the following disease is not transmitted by mosquito, right? So the option given to us is basically brain fever, malaria, typhoid and dengue. So here mosquito act as the vector for transmitting either the virus or the protozoa or the right to the into the body of the organism, right? So basically mosquito act as a vector or a source or a medium for transferring the microorganism that infects the person, right? So basically the first option that we have is the brain fever, right? So the Japanese so basically brain fever includes the encephalitis, right? It basically includes encephalitis, right? Encephalitis, right? And if we talk about the encephalitis, is an acute inflammation of the brain which is caused by the viral infection, right? It is caused by the viral infection, right? So basically here the inflammation, right? The inflammation of the membrane covering the brain and the spinal cord takes place, which is basically known as the meningitis. So here the Japanese encephalitis virus, that is the JEV, Japanese encephality virus, is a flav virus that is related to dengue and yellow fever and West Nile virus. That's all spread by the mosquitoes, right? That all related by the mosquitoes. So JEV is the main cause of viral encephalitis in many countries of Asia, right? And leads to the brain fever, right? Now we talk about the malaria. So in this, the bite when the female Anopheles mosquito, right? When the female Anopheles mosquito bites the person, right? Then this mosquito basically carries the plasmodium, which is a protozoan, right? And upon the bite of the female Anopheles mosquito, the person gets suffered by the malaria, right? So we can say that brain fever is also transmitted by the mosquito, malaria is also transmitted by the mosquito. Now we discuss about the typhoid. So typhoid does not need vector for the transmission. It transfers by the consumption of contaminated food and water, right? It is basically transferred or transmitted by the consumption of the contaminated food and water. It does not need any vector here, right? So basically we can say that typhoid is the correct answer, as it does not involve the mosquito for the transmission of transmission, right? So basically the last option here is the dengue. So it causes when the Aedes mosquito bites, right? It's basically caused in the person due to the bite of the Aedes mosquito, right? And Aedes mosquito basically carries the dengue virus, right? It basically carries the dengue virus and transfers it into the person's body. So we can say that the correct answer here is the option C, as it is the only disease which is not transmitted by the mosquito, rather it is transferred or transmitted by the consumption of the contaminated food and the water, right?
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.